Howdy folks. Today I got a kind of fun fall cocktail for you, and no special syrups or procedures. Should be pretty easy. Let's go. So for some reason, for a while now, I've been thinking about an Ardbeg Daiquiri. So I recently decided just to go ahead and order one at a bar. I was at the Multnomah Whiskey Library where I've been working recently. So I asked Josh, who was my bartender, and who I've known for a minute or two, for an Ardbeg Daiquiri. So he suggested splitting the base with Calvados, and I said, hell yes! So that's what we're gonna do. But last week, in an attempt to get rid of some bottles that didn't have a lot left, to make room for some new stuff, I went ahead and drank the last bit of my Ardbeg. So instead of Ardbeg, we're going to use a Lagavulin 8, because a lot of things will work in this. You could use Lafroig or Lagavulin, any smoky scotch. So we're also going to use this Pere Magliore. Am I pronouncing that right? Probably not. This is an XO Calvados. It is delicious and not even very expensive. And I got this recommendation from Zach, who you might know. Go check out his channel for lots of great recommendations on various things for your home bar. So that's the base. It'll have lime juice and simple syrup. So your basic daiquiri template. You could actually use cinnamon syrup or even brown sugar syrup or triple syrup. You could use any syrup you wanted in this and it would come out pretty good. There are no rules. So let's do it. Oh, you know what? We need a name for this. I'm calling it Autumn. I barely knew him. Check it out. You know, looks like a daiquiri. Smells smoky. But you also get that apple smell. This is gonna be amazing. A daiquiri is always delicious. And not even putting rum in it. I mean, ooh. It's got a nice, like the apple and smoky scotch go great together. They both kind of linger onto the back of the palate, but they kind of alternate. Like it's like, oh, it's apple. No, it's smoke. Oh, it's apple. It's smoke. That's pretty amazing. Of course, you could tweak the proportions if you didn't like things as smoky. Depending on which scotch you're using, you might need more or less. But this is amazing. Of course, you could use Applejack or something else. But you know, keep it classy. And you know, I think this might actually benefit from a little cinnamon syrup. The next time I make this, I'm gonna try cinnamon syrup. I bet that would be awesome as well. So I don't feel like people think about smoky scotch and lime together very often, but this is really good. The apple really complements the whole thing and makes it so the smoke isn't so overpowering. The whole lime, smoky, apple triangle is really doing it for me today. So I hope you have a chance to give this a try. Let me know what you think in the comments. If there's anything else you think I should try, don't be a stranger. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.